Zelle Error C301 is a technical issue that prevents users from completing money transfers through the Zelle payment platform. This error has become increasingly problematic for millions of users across major banking institutions. When Error C301 occurs, users typically see messages like "Transaction cannot be completed" or "Account verification required." These messages appear when attempting to send or receive money, effectively blocking the transaction. Error C301 has become increasingly common across major banking institutions. The most frequently affected banks include Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, and PNC Bank, with reports indicating a 15 to 20% increase in error occurrences since late 2023. The root causes of Error C301 fall into several categories. Account verification issues occur when there's incomplete verification status or mismatched personal information between bank and Zelle profiles. Server disconnections happen when there are temporary breaks in communication between bank servers and the Zelle network, while API communication failures occur during transaction processing. Security protocol triggers activate when the system detects suspicious activity, multiple failed login attempts, or unusual transaction patterns that require additional verification. Error C301 typically occurs at the authentication layer of the Zelle network. This is where user credentials are verified against both bank records and Zelle's central database through the Early Warning Services network. Understanding these fundamental aspects of Error C301 is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The error represents a breakdown in the complex verification process that ensures secure money transfers between financial institutions. The first method involves immediate troubleshooting steps that resolve most Zelle Error C301 cases. Start by completely logging out of your mobile banking app to reset the session. Next, clear your app's cache and cookies to remove any corrupted temporary data that might be causing the authentication failure. Restart your device completely to ensure all background processes are refreshed, then reinstall your banking app if the error persists. Finally, re-enroll in Zelle service using your current contact information and verify your phone number and email through the confirmation messages. If the immediate troubleshooting doesn't resolve the error, the second method focuses on updating your contact information. Method 2 addresses contact information mismatches, which are a common cause of Error C301. Access your bank's customer service portal or online banking platform. Update all your contact information, including phone number, email address, and physical address. Even small discrepancies can trigger authentication failures. Ensure this information matches exactly across all your bank accounts and services. Then wait 24 to 48 hours for the systems to synchronize before attempting another Zelle transaction. For persistent errors that don't resolve with the first two methods, advanced techniques may be necessary. Advanced resolution requires contacting your bank directly. Request that customer service manually refresh your Zelle enrollment status in their system. Ask them to temporarily deactivate your Zelle service. Wait a few minutes, then reactivate it. This forces a complete system refresh. Verify that there are no holds, restrictions, or security flags on your account that might be blocking Zelle transactions. Different banks may have specific solutions for Error C301 based on their individual system configurations. Each major bank has specific procedures for resolving Error C301. Bank of America users should try the Manage Recipients feature to refresh their contact list. Wells Fargo customers often find success by accessing Zelle through online banking first, then switching to the mobile app. Chase users should verify their Quick Pay enrollment status in account settings, while PNC customers typically need customer service assistance to reset their Zelle profile. These methods have proven highly effective, with 89% of Error C301 cases resolved within 48 hours, and most users successfully fixing the issue through self-service options.